Jon Renau is excited to announce an expansion to our Professionnel collection. This new customizable collection offers your clients 3 new Remy European hairstyles in multiple colors, with the option of 3 new cap sizes. These cap sizes are specific to this new design edition and are available in our light medium density. This European hair collection offers you and your clients new cap design with an extended Swiss lace to customize your client's desired hairline, allowing for ear to ear with this softer material. The single Swiss lace top allows for multi-directional parting. There are 2 pressure-sensitive clips in the ear tabs which can easily be removed if desired. The cap has machine wefting in the back, which is ideal for clients wanting greater volume and coverage. The nape allows you to easily adjust the circumference. To customize the lace for your client, we recommend using Jon Renau pinking shears or very sharp inline shears that is designed for cutting lace fronts. It's important while cutting this that you do not pull on the material, as it can cause uneven removal of the lace. Gently open and close your shears around the area you are trimming. This type of Swiss lace is stronger, and unraveling or fraying rarely occurs. However, if your client needs to have the lace repaired, please contact your account manager and they can provide you with the pricing to replace the lace front. Your clients may want to use a lace front adhesive to create a more secure wear. Remind your clients that if they will be using an adhesive, they also need to use a solvent to remove the piece at the end of the day. This new cap design is available in 3 different styles: Odette, Dominique, and Chantel. You will also have new sizing options to match your clients' needs. All of these styles are available in petite, petite average, and average large. The adjustable strap in the nape allows you to adjust the circumference to fit your client. These styles are also available in 9 to 10 different colors, with a range from dark chocolate to moonlight. Due to the nature of European hair, color availability may vary. It is not recommended that these styles be colored unless the color is followed by an RN for Renau Natural. As with any Jon Renau alternative human hair, you will want to use the Argan Smooth human hair care products to protect the integrity of you and your client's investment. For more information on this collection, please contact your Jon Renau account manager.